Our next award is a special award, different. The State Director of the Year award is really given to a state director that demonstrates exceptional commitment to applying the National CASA GAL mission, their vision, and strategic framework at the state level. This award is really reserved for those their work is so deeply impactful for the children and the families they serve in their own state by working off of the National CASA GAL model. Alan Abramowitz, of the state of Florida, guardian of the Litem Program, is a guy who has risen to the challenge of providing the best outcomes for children through his exemplary leadership. He has worked diligently within the state legislature year after year to really advance initiatives that improve the experiences for children and youth in the state of Florida. He not only advocates for policies that make change, but he also educates the legislators and policymakers about the value of the GAL volunteers and their impact that they have on children and youth. Alan's impact will be long-standing for children and youth in Florida. So please join me in congratulating Alan, the state director, for his great work in this area.
My sincere thanks to Caleb, Gerald, Candace, and Jonathan. These are some of the children that I volunteered on in the last 20 years, and they inspire me as they inspire all volunteers and staff who work in the Guardian of Litem program. I appreciate all of you that make a difference in their lives so they can have a great outcome. I also want to thank National CASA and the Board of Directors for selecting me for the State Director of the Year award. Now, I know and you know that it is really the staff and volunteers and the people that work in your state that make the difference and get me recognized in this situation. Our 12,000 volunteers last year who advocated for over 39,000 children made a difference every day, and our nonprofits that raise money to meet the needs of these children. They are making a difference in the lives of these children for generations to come. I would like to give a special thanks to Governor Ron DeSantis and his wife, First Lady Casey DeSantis. I appreciate the reappointment recently to this position and also all their efforts to make sure we fight child abuse and their initiative, Hope for Healing, to work on mental health issues for children and families in Florida. I also want to thank the legislature for giving us the tools so our volunteers and staff can advocate appropriately for children in foster care. Lastly, I'd like to thank my wife, Jody, and my kids, Brennan and Ryan. They have the spirit and keep me going, even at difficult times when you do this type of work. And by the way, I met my wife in 1987 at Guardian ad Litem training. So the program does a lot in many ways for me and others. Again, I appreciate all that each of you do and continue the work, but we will not rest till every child has a Guardian ad Litem and a voice.